Patio Doors Manassas, VA, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces with stylish and functional doors. Sliding glass doors in Manassas, Virginia offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for maximizing natural light and providing easy access to outdoor areas. French doors in Manassas add a touch of elegance and sophistication, making them a popular choice for those seeking a classic aesthetic. Energy-efficient patio doors in Manassas are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Custom patio doors in Manassas, VA, allow homeowners to tailor their door designs to fit their unique style and functional needs. Patio door replacement in Manassas is a necessary service for updating old or damaged doors, ensuring safety and efficiency. Vinyl patio doors in Manassas, Virginia, are a durable and low-maintenance option, ideal for withstanding the elements. Aluminum patio doors in Manassas offer a lightweight and corrosion-resistant solution, perfect for modern homes. Wood patio doors in Manassas, VA provide a timeless and natural look, adding warmth and character to any space. Patio Doors Manassas is vital for prolonging the lifespan of your doors and ensuring they operate smoothly. Patio door hardware in Manassas, Virginia includes handles, locks, and hinges, all essential for the security and functionality of your doors. Patio door screens in Manassas are perfect for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air to circulate. Patio door locks in Manassas, VA are crucial for ensuring the security of your home, providing peace of mind for homeowners. Patio door glass in Manassas, Virginia comes in various styles and thicknesses, offering options for energy efficiency and safety. Patio door frames in Manassas are available in different materials, each offering unique benefits in terms of durability and aesthetics. Patio door styles in Manassas, VA, range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to find the perfect match for their home's design. Patio door brands in Manassas, Virginia offer a wide selection of high-quality products, ensuring reliability and performance. Patio door cost in Manassas varies depending on materials, styles, and installation requirements, making it important to obtain accurate patio door quotes in Manassas, VA. Patio Doors Manassas, Virginia, provide expert installation and repair services, ensuring your doors are installed correctly and function properly. Patio door companies in Manassas offer a range of products and services, catering to the diverse needs of homeowners. Patio door experts in Manassas, VA, have the knowledge and experience to guide you in selecting the best doors for your home. Patio door services in Manassas, Virginia encompass installation, repair, and maintenance, ensuring your doors remain in top condition. Patio door solutions in Manassas, VA are tailored to meet the specific needs of each homeowner, providing customized options for every project.